Hey everyone, welcome back to YouTech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make multi-camera editing super easy. If you've ever tried to edit 4 or 5 different video clips that were shot with the same audio but from different camera angles, you know it can get messy. Manually cutting, syncing, and aligning each clip can take hours. But with Wondershare Filmora, there's an awesome built-in feature that makes the multicam editing process fast, smooth, and efficient. So let's jump right in. And yes, the download link for Wondershare Filmora is in the description below. Make sure you check that out. Once you've downloaded and installed Wondershare Filmora, go ahead and launch the application. We'll be using this to create a multi-camera clip using multiple video files recorded at the same time but from different angles. Make sure your videos have the same frame rate, resolution, and most importantly, they should have the same audio track, meaning they were all recorded simultaneously. Select all your video files, or press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select all the clips. Now, right-click on the selected clips and choose Create Multi-Camera Clip. A new window will pop up asking you to configure your multi-cam clip. Here, you'll be able to rename your multi-camera clip. Below that, you'll see the option to choose a synchronization method. You'll usually get 2 options: by audio, by first frame. If your clips were all recorded at the same time with the same audio source, like in a typical interview or event shoot, it's best to go with audio. This tells Filmora to automatically sync the clips based on their waveforms, saving you tons of time. So I'll leave it set to audio and then click OK. Alright, at the top of the preview screen, click the Enable Multi-Camera Preview button to activate this feature. You'll see all your camera angles. These are your synced camera feeds. At the bottom, you'll see the main viewer, which shows what will appear in the final edit. Now, press play. As the video plays, you can click on any of the camera angles shown at the top, and Filmora will automatically switch to that camera, cut the clip, and insert the selected angle into your timeline, all in real time. This means you can literally edit your video live as you watch it, simply by clicking on the angles you want. You don't need to stop or cut manually. Filmora handles it all. It's that simple. Once you're happy with the switching and all the camera angles are selected, go ahead and disable the multi-camera preview mode. Now, your timeline will show all the selected cuts and angles, and you can fine-tune them if needed. Maybe trim a few seconds here and there, or add transitions or color correction if you like. Once everything looks perfect, it's time to export your final video. Click on the export button at the top. From here, you can set your video title, choose your destination folder, select your format, MP4, MOV, and even export in up to 4K resolution for high quality output. After that, just hit export and Filmora will render your beautifully edited multi-camera project. And that's it. Multi-camera editing has never been easier thanks to Wondershare Filmora's built-in multi-cam editor. No more wasting time syncing clips manually or switching back and forth between timelines. Now, you can do it all in one place. Fast, smooth, and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more tech and editing tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And again, the link to download Wondershare Filmora is in the video description below. Go check it out and try it for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.